In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to connect your Wi-Fi cameras to your phone's hotspot. Stay tuned. First, go to the settings on your phone. Turn on Cellular. And then go to Personal Hotspot. Enable Allow Others to join. The phone will generate a Wi-Fi password. You can also tap to reset it yourself. At the bottom of the page, you can also find the hotspot name, which is your device name by default. Then, you need to change your camera's Wi-Fi on your Reolink app. If your camera is already online, you can directly go to its settings page, tap Network, find the hotspot name, select it, and input the password. If your Wi-Fi camera is still in the initial setup, you need to connect your camera to the router first. Then, add it to the Reolink app. Tap the Add Device button and scan the QR code on the camera. Create the password and name the device. And next, you can set the Wi-Fi network to your hotspot Wi-Fi. Enter the password and tap Save. Unplug the Ethernet cable from your camera, and done. If your camera is a battery Wi-Fi camera and in the initial setup, you need to power on the camera first. Then, similarly, add it to the Reolink app. Choose Wi-Fi not configured. And manually input your hotspot name and password. Scan the QR code on the phone screen and follow the in-app instructions to finish the setup. Now your camera has successfully connected to your phone hotspot. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel.